Guys, welcome back. This is Osmosis, and we'll be looking straight on gold. Expectation for gold for this second week of January. I've not really dropped anything on gold. Also, why? Because I was particular about DXY, and I wanted to see what DXY would give us and have a view of where we are going. So let's go back on a monthly and let's look into what we have on gold. Okay, so I think monthly is a little bit small. Okay, so 3 months, we can see that gold has been trending high, breakout and retest. Gold has been trending high, so we have a higher high, higher low. We are actually just, if you look this zone properly, let me go down to this zone. These brokers and retests. Now I feel like this is a retest of this high. This is a retest of this high. Then this is going for a new push on zone and broke out of this. So from what I'm saying, let me just, so that you can grab what I'm saying, there's a resistance here and price resisted, and we still have another one here. So this resistance was broken and price retested it and broke this present one. So let me just do this. Okay, so I don't want it to cluster my charts, so let me see how it looks on 3 months. You can see, and the monthly will look like where this, you can see, this is the more reason why I picked this as my and it looks like this is too big. This is my highest here, so this let me reset it. So okay, looks like we are doing good. I would have loved this first body, but this second body closed here, so we are out and we are retesting. We really don't know, because we are expecting from structure, we're expecting price to give us higher low, then we have a new higher high, so we're expecting a new higher low on gold. And also, if you are getting that higher low, it has to respect this trend line support. Okay, it has to respect this trend line support. This has been going, trading up, came back and tested these supports and broke out of this resistance. So I feel like I just wanted to adjust this. Okay, I feel like this third touch is going to be supported with this other rectangular. So this is a good entry zone for either this is monthly, this is oh, I didn't know this is what I chose. This is December, right? So okay, this is December high. This is December high. Okay. All right. So this candle of January is a retest for this guy here, and we should expect this, but market doesn't work like that. We could see a deeper pullback down to this OB, so we just have to be careful. We can pull back to this OB here and we can buy out. Okay, so really watching this trend. If this trend fails, we might get a new, and the likely zone I'm looking at is this zone was tested a couple of times. Either this, yeah, this was tested, but this was tested twice. You have 1, 2, 3, so this level seems to have something for a higher low, so I'll probably be looking out for this level. Okay, because I have too many retests on this level, so okay, so we could have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on this level. So if price should come to this level, wow, that's big. That's about 1350. So yeah, so it's a big one for gold. So let's see what the monthly, the weekly has. You can see how cluster it is here. So I would love to see price revisit this zone. And presently we are, remember, breaking out and retest. So we broke out, immediate retest, we still pulled back up. So if we're able to still get some push on the support, then that will be fine. So we've not really created anything significant on not really created anything significant on daily. So these candlesticks are just what will determine what we have. This is price is coming back to fill up all this imbalance. This week is an imbalance. Price needs to fill it because it just push price there and immediately return. So price needs to fill it and close. So I'm looking out for this high to be taken, but presently this is January, this is December lows, sorry. So this zone might give us a good buy, but what kind of correction is this? This kind of correction is signifying that this support has been tested 2 times. This 3rd time test is a 50-50 chance, so it depends. We might be taken out and price might sell, but I'm more interested in buying. So this zone is very can I put it, it's very sensitive. This is an impulse, then we start correcting like this, and look at this, we're having kind of systematically double top, so it's looking like a double top to me. Why do we have bearish engulfing in the same zone? So it's a sign that something is in that zone going on. Then this guy must show this guy Pepe. So gold is singing another song of a sell, which I'm looking to buy. So, but it's telling me right now that this trend line is weak, and this trend line might be taken out. That's what I'm seeing from gold presently. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, as always ready to reply. Okay, so let's see what the 4 hour look like. The 4 hours actually been giving some corrective nature. 4 hours been correcting. 4 hours been correcting, so you can see that I didn't get this sell entry. I only got buy entry right and closed on time, because I know it's coming back, so I prefer to get the reversal up. Now inside this ascending, we have a trending trend, meaning high probability sell setup. We are ascending upward, and we have a correction again ascending upward. So we have 3 ascending channels: first outer structure, then the inner, and the more inner structure. So you can see how it plays out that the sell will actually sell. So price has not really mitigated the 90%. So presently I'm just hands-on on gold, because I really want to see something interesting on gold. You don't play with gold anyhow, you know. You have to find the right zone to enter from. So okay, so you can see that this is also a flag for a sell setup. So let me see 1 hour. This is also set up, and this 90% will drop massively. Will drop. Correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. So we have the first sell setup, the second sell setup. This looks like market wants to drop out from here. I'll just allow market to do its thing. So I'm not rushing it. Imagine if you get entry from this evening star, but you have to risk a lot. Why are the entries so big like this? So it's very so big that the stop loss is so good. Mad, man. Here, imagine. Who have I seen use all this kind of pips on gold? Well, some people do 70 pips. My risk to reward will be very slow. Very slow. Imagine first entering here. After the break, then look for correction, then evening star again on the top, same 70, then evening star drop. After I see this drop, I'll wait for the next correction, which is the third one here. You can see this third one is here, so I'll end here, then this recent one is here. So well, heading down for 1930. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would love to sell if I see a good closure below this candle. I'll find entry. Now, if gold is selling, that is a sign that DXY is buying. Okay, that's a sign that DXY is buying. So it all now depend on CPI. If DXY will complete this 90, first 90 and take out all this trend line, if possible. If price can take out all this trend line, then that's another thing to look out for. You can see touch. If it takes this one to house, because we have 1, 2, 3 now, then bam, I'm ready to buy. So but presently I only see a sell setup, so I now have two options of switching from my first bias to my second bias. So my first bias is a sell setup to complete the trend structure. And the second bias is if I say breakout of this resistance trend line, then I'll be aiming for this guy as my soup. So this is 2148990, so not bad. So it all depends on CPI on Thursday and Friday. So today is Tuesday, so see you guys. Do like and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Alright, so I see you in the next episode of this, which is next week, because I won't be dropping anything on gold again this week until next week. This is what I'm expecting for Thursday and Friday. So I have two buyers ready, whichever one goes, then I'm in. But risk management applied. Alright, see you guys. Like, comment and subscribe.